Don't call this number anymore, 'cause I won't be there for you like I was before. I should've always known best. They said you were just like cool the rest, so I'll say it loud in case you don't already know. Pack up your shit.
Di mo tanggap na karaan, di ko di maiwasan yan. Sa mga panahon ako'y sumobra sa toma, pero isip ko ikaw nilalaman. Pag napasaing ka, lagi kitang pagyayabang. Hindi ko na matatangging, ikaw kailangan ko. Sa mga panahon ako'y litong-lito. Bakit ganito? Lakas ng amat ko, yung angas ko nawawala pagdating sa'yo, yeah. Kasama ko si Mami Belly, laging bloopers daily. Pero pagdating sa'yo, nandyan na ako daily, baby. O ang lamig na parang galing lang sa ghetto, yung puso ko na parang broken na nga ng hello. You're not in my hair, so baby don't remove the vibe. So chill, so baby don't kill my feelings. So damn, I want to feel again, I want to feel again.
Don't call this number anymore, 'cause I won't be there for you like I was before. I should've listened to my heart, they always know best. You were just like cool. I say it loud in case you don't already know.
Purchase your tracks today.
Cause I won't be there for you like I was before. Dala-dala yung aking swag na sa loob ng aking bag. Wala nang itatago kasi nga baby ang to. Kahit lalim pa na streets, kaya ko na matiis. Paparamdam ko sa'yo yung tunay na tamis. Kamang ba sa'kin babe, di nila ko tulad babe. Lagi lang na naka-babe sa gabi na malamig. Di ikaw ang katabi, tabihan mo na kasi tamang-tamo sa tabi.